Now that you are officially a Red Raider, it is time to sign up and select your housing and dining plan. When you first visit the Texas Tech University website, you will select the Campus Life link at the top right. From that, a drop-down will populate where you will find the Housing and Facilities links. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected to the University Student Housing website. At the top of the main housing landing page, you will find the Sign Up for Housing link. That selection will prompt you to initiate the application process. Before you begin the application process, make sure you have your E-Raider credentials and R number easily accessible. You will need that information during the sign-up process. You will first be prompted to answer a few questions about yourself. These questions are required for you to be able to proceed. Once you click on the Save and Continue button, please allow a few moments for the system to process your responses. You will then be taken to the Available Housing Terms page. This page will allow you to select the academic term that you will be living on campus for. Upon selecting your academic term, you will then proceed to the Residence Hall and Learning Community selection page. On this page, you will see the eligible residence halls and learning community options you have to sign up for, as well as your sign-up checklist. Your sign-up checklist will be your guide to assist you in knowing which steps you have completed. On the right side, you will see eligible learning communities to explore, as well as other eligible residence halls. Please note that while you may be eligible to reside in one of these options, this selection does not guarantee you a room in the selected learning community or residence hall. Things to consider before making a selection include campus location and affordability. If you are not interested in any of the learning communities or residence halls listed below, please be sure to click the Other Available Rooms selection for additional residence hall options. Once you select the residence hall or learning community you are interested in, you will be directed to the application page to verify your personal information. You will need to review all selections closely and complete the required selections to proceed. When you have completed all selections, select Continue at the bottom of the page. You will proceed to the Contract Signature page. Students are able to review and sign the contract electronically. If you are under 18 years of age, you will be able to sign the contract electronically, but will be required to have a parent or legal guardian co-sign the contract as well. Once your contract has been signed by all required parties, you will be able to proceed to the payment page. The payment page will allow students to pay any required fees or deposits needed for their housing choices. The payment required to make any selection includes a $75 application fee and a $400 initial deposit. If a student is interested in a suite, pod, or apartment-style hall, an additional $250 deposit will be required. All payments can be made online with a credit card, or you may mail in a check. Please note if you do pay by check that you will not be able to proceed to the next step and select a room, when available, until we have manually applied the check payments to your account. Upon completion of payment, students will then start the assignment selection process. University Student Housing allows students the opportunity to select a specific residence hall, floor, and even bed space in the room. On the left column of the screen, students will see all the halls that have available spaces open to choose from. Click the hall of your choice and select a floor. Once you have selected a floor, a list of rooms will appear on the right side of the screen. If a room shows 2 available, that means both beds in that room have not been selected yet. If you would like to see a floor plan of the hall you have selected, you can click on the display map in the upper right-hand corner. This will allow you to see where the location of the room is within that hall. If 2 beds are showing by a room number, that indicates the amount of beds still available in that room. Once you have selected a bed space, your selection will be locked in status for 10 minutes, making the space unavailable to others while you complete the booking process. If you click on the deselect button or have not finalized a space selection within 10 minutes, you risk losing the bed space you have selected. If you are happy with your room choice, scroll down and click on the Continue button to finalize your housing selection. Students are required to make a dining plan selection during the sign-up process. We strongly encourage you to review the choices on the hospitality website before starting the sign-up process. Once you are on the dining plan selection page, you will need to click on the green plus sign on the left side of the screen to expand the dining plan options. Once you have successfully made your selection, you will then click on the green check Select button. When you see your desired dining plan displayed on the screen, you can then click the Continue button. You should now be on the summary page. The summary page outlines your selections and provides additional information you will need. You have officially completed the housing selection process. You will also receive emailed correspondence to your Texas Tech email confirming your room assignment and dining plan. If you have questions at any time during the sign-up process, you can contact University Student Housing by email, phone, or chat Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.